Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon all. Okay, how are you today? Okay, before we start our class, let's reciting Basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, before we jump into our material, let's watch this video together.
Little Red Riding Hood. One day, Little Red Riding Hood's mother said to her, "Take this basket of goodies to your grandma's cottage, but don't talk to strangers on the way." Promising not to, Little Red Riding Hood skipped off. On her way, she met the big, bad wolf, who asked, "Where are you going, little girl?" "To my grandma's, Mr. Wolf," she answered. The big bad wolf then ran to her grandmother's cottage, much before Little Red Riding Hood, and knocked on the door. When Grandma opened the door, he locked her up in the cupboard. The wicked wolf then wore Grandma's clothes and lay on her bed, waiting for Little Red Riding Hood. When Little Red Riding Hood reached the cottage, she entered and went to Grandma's bedside. "My, what big eyes you have, Grandma," she said in surprise. "All the better to see you with, my dear," replied the wolf. "My, what big ears you have, Grandma," said Little Red Riding Hood. "All the better to hear you with, my dear," said the wolf. "What big teeth you have, Grandma," said Little Red Riding Hood. "All the better to eat you with," growled the wolf, pouncing on her. Little Red Riding Hood screamed, and the woodcutters in the forest came running into the cottage. They beat the big bad wolf and rescued Grandma from the cupboard. Grandma hugged Little Red Riding Hood with joy. The big bad wolf ran away, never to be seen again. The end.
Okay, after watching this video, do you know what kind of text the video is? Yeah, narrative text. Sure. Okay, do you know what is the narrative text? Or have you ever read or make a narrative text before? Okay. Okay, let's move to our material. Okay, our material today is about narrative text. The definition of narrative text is the type of text that tells a chronological story in the past tense. Jadi narrative text itu adalah cerita yang menceritakan kejadian di masa lampau yang menggunakan past tense atau kalimat yang pernah terjadi, seperti itu. And the purpose is narrative text is to entertain the readers through the amusing story. Okay, the next is generic structure. There are 4 generic structure in the narrative text. The first is orientation. It is the opening part of the narrative text story. Jadi naratif itu semacam pengenalannya, seperti pada zaman dahulu atau di sebuah desa terpencil hiduplah seorang ini, begitu. The next is complication. This section contains the problems that occur in the story. Jadi awal munculnya problem atau masalah di naratif teks tersebut. And the third is resolution. This section contains the resolution or end of a narrative text story. Ini itu bagian ending, penutup. And the fourth is reorientation. Reorientation is usually contains a conclusion, moral value, or character change in the end of story. Reorientation ini bersifat opsional ya, boleh ada atau boleh juga nggak usah pakai reorientation dan berakhir di resolution doang. Okay, the next is kinds of narrative text. There are 8 kind of narrative text. The first is fairy tales. Also we know as dongeng, like dongeng tentang Princess Cinderella or Snow White and others. The second is mysteries. The third is science fiction. Science fiction itu fiksi sains. Misalnya itu seperti cerita-cerita robot gitu atau Ultraman ya, mungkin kita taunya Ultraman. The fourth is romance. The fifth is horror stories. The sixth is adventure stories. The seventh is fables. Fables or animal story, kayak cerita tentang yang tokoh utamanya itu animal. And the eighth is folklore. Folklore itu semacam kumpulan-kumpulan cerita di suatu daerah atau rakyat gitu. Nah, the folklore ini dibagi menjadi 3 bagian. Yang pertama itu myth atau mitos, yang kedua itu legend atau legenda, and the third is folktale atau cerita rakyat. Okay, the next is language features. Language features in narrative text. There are 4 language features in narrative text. The first is using simple past tense, using adverb of time, using adjective, and using noun phrase. Okay, this is the example of narrative text. The story of Athena and Arachne. Ini termasuk dalam legend atau mitos ya, mitos yang dipercaya oleh rakyat Greek atau Yunani. Oke, ada 4 paragraf di sini. Yang pertama kita baca. Yang in ancient Greece, there was a young woman named Arachne who was known for her exceptional weaving skills. She was so proud of her talent that she boasted that she was a better weaver than the goddess Athena. Ini adalah bagian orientasi. Nah, clue-nya itu ada kata in ancient Greece. Itu termasuk kata orientasi ya. The second paragraph is Athena was outraged by this claim and challenged Arachne to a weaving contest. The 2 women each created a tapestry, and when the judging was complete, Athena's tapestry was declared the winner. Nah, ini paragraf kedua termasuk dalam Yang kedua itu complication. Complication itu terjadi ketika si Athena itu menantang si Arachne ya dalam weaving contest. And the third paragraph is Arachne was devastated by the loss and felt ashamed for her prideful behavior. In her despair, she tried to hang herself, but Athena took pity on her and turned her into a spider. Nah, ini resolution. Nah, di sini si Arachne itu was devastated by the loss. Jadi dia merasa terhina karena kekalahannya dan prideful itu harga dirinya terluka. Okay, from that day on, Arachne spent her days spinning webs and creating intricate designs. She was a reminder of the dangers of pride and the importance of humility. Nah, ini tuh reorientationnya. Jadi menceritakan apa yang terjadi setelah si Arachne itu kalah gitu. Okay, because our material is over, so I will give you the task. You can click the link that I sent, quizzes link, and do the quiz on your own. Okay, maybe that's all for today. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.